Hello everybody, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you Messenger not sending message on iPhone. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting, and from here you tap on Wi-Fi. From here you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection and turn off this toggle, and after a few minutes you have again turn on, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your app store, and from here you search for this Messenger app, tap on this. From here you make sure that update new version. I am already updated, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting, and from here tap on journal. From here scroll down and tap on reset phone and tap on reset again, and from here you tap on reset network setting and enter your passcode, and after that tap on reset, and after reset network setting. I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.